Good morning, children. Welcome to the English third lesson How Tenali Rama Became a Jester. Before going to the lesson, let's listen to the small story of the wise minister. So turn your English reader to page number 39 and listen to the story. Story of the Wise Minister. There was once a king who had a wise minister. It was the habit of this minister to say, whatever happens, happens for the best. Once the king went with his minister hunting in the forest. His horse stumbled and the king fell down. He hurt his big toe on the right foot. The minister, on looking at this, said calmly, "Do not worry, my lord. Whatever happens, happens for the best." The king, heard from his fall, was angry at these words. He looked around and saw an old dried up well nearby. He pushed the minister into the well and walked on. Soon a group of cannibals saw the king and shouted with joy. Cannibals means people who eat human flesh. They carried him to the chief. The chief told them to get the king ready for a sacrifice to their goddess. As the cannibals were taking the king to the river, they saw that he couldn't walk properly since his toe was hurt. One of the cannibals ran back to the chief to report this. The chief heard him and told him to let the king free because he was hurt and couldn't be offered to the goddess. The king, now walking away a free man, recalled the minister's words. Recall means to remember what the minister has told him. He felt that the minister was right and looked for him in the well. The minister was still dead, wondering how to get out. The king pulled him out with difficulty and hugged him, apologizing sincerely. The minister thanked the king, saying that he was alive only because the king had pushed him into the well. So here ends this story. Now let us continue with the lesson. How Tenali Rama became a jester. Jester means a person who amuses people at the king's court, means a person who tells jokes or a funny story and make people laugh. In a South Indian village called Tenali, there lived a clever boy. His name was Rama. So in a South Indian village called Tenali, children, there lived a clever boy. His name was Rama. Once a wandering sage saw him and liked his looks and clever ways. So he taught him a prayer and told him, "Go to the goddess Kali's temple one night and recite these words 3,000,000 times. She will appear before you and give you whatever you ask for." So once a wandering sage saw Rama and he liked his looks and the clever way. So he taught him a prayer and told him to go to the goddess Kali's temple one night and recite these words 3,000,000 times, so that she will appear before you and give you whatever you ask for. Rama went to the Kali temple outside his village and did as he was told. So Kali temple was outside his village. So Rama, he went there and did what he has told him. The goddess appeared before him with her several faces and 2 hands. So when he started chanting that prayer, goddess appeared before him with the several faces and 2 hands. When the boy looked at her appearance, he wasn't frightened. He began laughing. So when he saw several faces and 2 hands of goddess Kali, he was not frightened, children. He began to laugh. Angry, the goddess asked him, why are you laughing at me? So when he started laughing, seeing the goddess, she got angry and she asked him, why are you laughing at me? Rama answered, "O mother, we humans have a lot of trouble wiping our noses when we catch a cold. Though we have two hands and only one nose." So Rama answered, "O mother, we humans have a lot of trouble wiping our nose when we catch a cold. Though we have two hands and only one nose. If you with your many faces catch a cold, how will you manage with just two hands for all those noses?" So he told, we have one nose and two hands, and when we get a cold, we trouble wiping our nose. But you have many faces and two hands, only two hands, and when you get a cold, how you will manage with your two hands for all those noses? The goddess was furious, means very angry. She got very angry. She said, "Since you laughed at me, you will be a Vikatakavi, a jester." Vikatakavi means a jester. Oh, a Vikatakavi, that's terrific. Terrific means wonderful, very good. It's a palindrome, replied Rama. So when she told that you will be a Vikatakavi, he told it's very good, and he told it's a palindrome. Palindrome means a word which reads the same even when read backward, children. For example, noon, N-O-O-N, noon. If you read reverse also, it become N-O-O-N, noon. So these such words are called palindrome. The goddess was pleased by Rama's cleverness that saw a joke even in a curse. Curse means to wish for something bad to happen to others. She at once became calm and said, "You will be a Vikatakavi, but you will be a jester to the king." And she vanished. So she told, you will be a Vikatakavi, but you will be a jester to the king. And she vanished means she disappeared from there. In this way, Tenali Rama began to live as a jester in the court of the king Sri Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. So from then onwards, Tenali Rama, he began to live as a jester in the court of the king Sri Krishna Devaraya of Vijayanagara. Here ends the lesson. In next class, I am going to give new words, difficult words and question answers. Till then, take care. Have a nice day, children.